Hello everyone. Now next is the option of extrusion. By using this option you can extrude faces. Select the plane and click apply. See, the face is extruded now. You can select multiple faces and extrude them at the same time. Just click on extrusion and select the faces. Press and hold Ctrl and say apply. See, in this way you can extrude multiple faces. You can create a hole by using extrusion. Click on extrusion and select the top and bottom plane of the section where you want to create a hole. You can also feel the hole that is created by extrusion, or anyhow click on the extrusion and click on the 4 adjacent planes. Select the 4 adjacent planes. Apply. You can combine an extrusion. I want this region to be filled, so I will click on the extrusion and select 2 adjacent planes. Say apply. The region is filled now. You can join 2 unconnected faces by using this extrusion. Click on the extrusion and select the subdivision surface. Select the 2 planes where you want to create an extrusion. See. You can also extrude edges. Now this is an open primitive. I'm gonna extrude edges of this. Click on the extrusion and click on the edge. Select the edge and click on the edge. Yes, apply. Click on the edge where you want to create an extrusion. In this way, you can extrude edges also. You can select multiple edges at the same time. See, by press and hold Control button, you can select multiple edges like this. Apply. If I want to extrude these edges, then extrusion. Select the surface, select the edges and click apply.